Hi, hello, welcome to the day 3 of daily Leetcode channel, which is May 3. So let's see the today's question, which is 165 compare version numbers. So we will see the intro of the question, but I think from the heading itself you will get to know that we don't want to see the description. Let's see with the examples they have given. To the example, let's see they have given the version numbers. For there is like two versions, version 1, version 2. In version 1 which is 1.01 and version 2 is 1.0001. So like leading zeros we can ignore and make it as a, we can take it as a number. So both will be like 1.11, like instead of 1.00 we can take it as 1. And here let's say this is 0.1 and 1.1. Obviously we can easily get that 0 and 1, so 1 is greater, so we have to return -1. If the version 1 is greater, so we have to return 1. If version 2 is greater, we have to return -1. Okay, for example, let's take this test case. If there is like version 0.1.0.1 and here like it is 1, so the version 1 is great because we have that 0.01 which is like minor update versions. Let's see this case 3 point case 5. In this we have like 7.5.24, here we have 7.5.3. Here even though it has like larger digits, but the version number is higher. Here after that 5 we have 3, but there is 2, so we have to take that 3. Now let's go to our VS Code. I have written the code. I will try to explain the code as clear as possible. It is like same as every day we have the template, we will write code, but here today we'll have it different. Let's split that code. We have like dots in over each version, so we are splitting the each versions based on that 0. So we will get the list, then we will go through that list from range. We can take either v1 or v2. Here we are giving that result as res is equal to 0, but this is actually not required. But as of like to get that identify what is happening, it is like easy to use it. We can remove, if you don't want we can remove the trace. Okay, now here we are having like minimum version. Above conditions you have like clear things. If that version is 1 greater, return this, return 1. If version is 1 is greater, so return -1. So here we are having like different conditions, like if that version is lesser or high, like the number of minor versions are different, so we are going with this condition. Here if that trace is not equal to 0, obviously it's like if it is not equal to 0 it is going to return, but let's have that condition as for our reference. Now let's keep that len is greater than v1 is greater than v2, then we will go through each list by increasing 1. So if that is not equal to 0, it is obviously going to that v1 will be higher, so we have to return 1. And then if let's see that next thing, if v2 is greater than len of v2 is greater than 1, we will go through that 1. And if it is not equal to 0, then we have to return that -1. So let's have run that code and we will see that result, which is same as that what we have expected. Now let's copy this code and paste it to Leetcode and run that, submit the code, submit. Yeah, it's passed. Okay, thank you guys, I hope you have understood. Let's see in the next question tomorrow. We'll hope we will meet soon. Thank you, bye.